Hey, hello guys. Welcome to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. My name is Richard. So today we are inside of our machining workshop, and on the back you can see we are installing a new 5-meter CNC vertical lathe. So as you can see, the structure of this vertical lathe is you can see the two beams. Those are cast irons, and then on the bottom you can see that's the bearings, and also this is the rotating table, and then you can see that's the motor, the oil stations, and then the reducers. And so one thing features about this vertical lathe is we ordered the screw rod from Spain. We waited for 10 months for the screw rod to come, and we used the screw rod from Spain to ensure the precision of this vertical lathe. And then also another thing features is the system uses Siemens 84D. Hopefully we can put it in use as soon as possible.